This video is brought to you by HASA, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. Imagine a pool system that automatically manages your chlorine, monitors your water's chemistry, and lets you control everything right from your phone. Today I'm going to show you the CircuPool CORE Balance Control system, and this is a new platform that combines salt chlorination, chemical monitoring, Wi-Fi automation, all in one unit. And the CORE Balance Control full package comes with the saltwater generator, either a 35,000 gallon cell or a 55,000 gallon cell. It also comes with this core control. You can also retrofit another core control system with this if you have an existing one. Also included is a standard acid pump. And this will allow the system to inject muriatic acid into the pool when it's required to balance the pH. And if you order the complete system, the core control comes pre-calibrated at the factory. And of course, on the surface, the system looks complicated, but it actually is really simple to install and very simple to operate. Included is the owner manual and operation guide for the salt system itself. You also have the balance control upgrade kit instructions. And CircuPool has a great library of videos on how to set up the system and operate it. And I'll put that playlist in the description of this video. These videos are really informative, and you'll find that the installation and setup videos are very helpful with this system. And all you really need to do is watch the whole playlist, and you'll be able to operate this system and install it with no issues. One of the nice things about the installation is that they have adapter kits for existing Hayward salt cells and Pentair salt cells, as well as Jandy salt cells. So it's really easy and simple to retrofit your existing plumbing to install the new salt cell. And so the unit comes with the Wi-Fi module and also the core control, which is the control unit for this system. However, you're going to be controlling the system mainly through the MyPool app on your device. And of course, one of the first questions you may have about this system is how does it incorporate the ORP sensor, pH sensor, and acid pump all into the system without having to do major replumbing? The answer, of course, is this shell here, and you're going to simply take out the existing salt cell and then put it in here. So you're going to simply remove the cell. I'm going to simply drop the cell into the balance control upgrade kit. And then you'll connect the pH and ORP sensor, and then the one-way injection port is here for the acid pump. And here's the acid pump and tank by Stenner, and they've been making these pumps since 1957. So don't be fooled by thinking that this is a very complicated system to install and set up. Basically, you have your core control that plugs in, you have the Wi-Fi module, you have the salt cell that you put into the balance control upgrade kit that has the connectors for the ORP and pH sensor, as well as the port for the acid injection. And then you would simply set up the acid pump near your pool equipment. The really nice thing about this system is that in the future they're going to have relays available so you can also control your pumps, heaters, and lights and water features directly from the MyPool app and the core control. So if you're in the market for a saltwater system and you want to eliminate the need to balance your chlorine and pH every week, this is a great system for you. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and HASA. They make this content possible.